Hello once again. Welcome to Amari Educates. In today's video, we're going to discuss the difference of two squares. But before that, let's have a quick review of the square root of a number or an expression. What is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. While the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 25 is 5. What about the square root of x squared? The technique is so simple. All you have to do is to divide the power 2 by 2. So the square root of x squared is x. The square root of 64y squared, the square root of 64 is 8. And the square root of y squared, as mentioned a while ago, you divide this by 2, is y. Therefore, it is 8y. The square root of x to the 6th. Again, divide the 6 by 2, you'll get x cubed. Now, let's move on to our lesson. Difference of two squares formula. The technique is so simple. All you have to do is to get the square root of the first term and the square root of the second term. And it will look like this. The square root of a squared, or the first term, is a, and the square root of the second term, or b squared, is b. Just copy it and put two different operators, that is a plus and a minus. Okay? Now let's move on to our example. Factor 4 minus b squared. Once again, this is our formula. Solution. We will get the square root of 4. That is 2. And the square root of b squared is b. Again, copy this, but different operator. Take note that this minus and plus here can be interchanged. So we have here plus and minus. So the factor of 4 minus b squared is the quantity of 2 plus b times the quantity of 2 minus b. Let's have another example. Factor 16x to the 4th minus y to the 4th. The same process. 16x to the 4th, we're going to get the square root of that. The square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of x to the 4th is x squared. Then the square root of y to the 4th is y squared. We copy them and put two different operators, that is plus and minus, or minus and plus. Now, we're not yet finished on factoring this because this is still difference of two squares. So we will continue on this part. On the other hand, this is already a prime, so we cannot factor it anymore. So just later, we're going to copy it. So the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of x squared is x. Then the square root of y squared is y. We copy it and then put two different operators. And the last one, we'll just copy it here. Therefore, the factor of 16x to the 4th minus y to the 4th is the quantity of 2x minus y times the quantity of 2x plus y times the quantity of 4x squared plus y squared. Now let us see if you understand the lesson. You will be asked to answer some of the questions, and then you may pause the video to give you time to answer the question. Question number 1. Factor completely 1 minus x squared. Pause the video, and the answer is quantity 1 minus x times the quantity of 1 plus x. Question number 2. Factor completely x squared minus y squared. Pause the video. And the answer is the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x minus y. Next, question number 3. Factor completely 25x squared minus 16y to the 6th. The answer is the quantity of 5x minus 4y cubed times the quantity of 5x plus 4y cubed. Thank you. That's it for now. Remember, if you help others, it will make you better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it. Have a nice day, everyone.